Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. So car just came back from the painter. So as you can see, here's all nice and good. Just have to still adjust here fender on the screws, but that's not a big deal. So frame is good, alignment was done, everything is good. So as you can see, here's painted, new door, fender, hood, everything was nicely blended. Door is painted inside as well. I'm just assembling it back together nicely, and just have to undo the handle, put cover back on it, and hook up a few more cables, and I'll be done here. On the inside, the ceiling is gone. As you can see, the headliner, I have some light here, so everything is disconnected. Here I'm working on the removing and replacing curtain airbag, so that's almost done. A few more screws here, but I gotta remove the plastic because the screws are underneath. So that's the next step. I'm gonna finish the door, remove that, put the new airbag, which is laying right here. One more thing I forgot to mention. So after every accident you gotta fix the seat belt. So you'll notice that the seat belt is gone, both of them, and the computer module, which is right there, well, should be right there right now. There are just cables. So this is airbag module. So those three pieces, seat belts that were locked or broken, and airbag computer module need to be reset. So this is where we stand. On the other hand, I'm driving to pick up my 6 from the dealer. They just did the windshield replacement and the cameras, calibration and alignment to, you know, as a package. But I got a 2018 A4 as a loaner, and I gotta say I'm kind of disappointed with this car. You know, other than 2-liter engine, turbo performing pretty good. The inside is not what I expected. So let me show you real quick. So here's what I mean. If you look at this, the knob is big and fancy, but other than that, this whole square of buttons, they look like they took it out of, you know, Toyota Yaris and put it in here. It doesn't really fit. It should be bigger and nicer, and this is just this, I don't know, disappointing. Other than that, there's a lot of blank buttons. Like there's one here, all of this stuff here, you know, and this one says navigation. You press that and then you get navigation not supported. And why the heck do I have a button? So it looks nice here, symmetrical. I don't know. And this little monitor, my A6 is a little bit dated, 2014, but the monitor looks way better than this. I would also expect virtual cockpit here. I thought this was a standard on Audi, but I guess it's not. So this 2018, you still see, you know, this. So yeah, just things like that. You know, I used to have 2003 A4, and I feel like it felt much nicer than this. So beautiful mountains of Colorado, Rocky Mountains. Come and check them out. So here's the car. They even moved the this, which is actually coming off a little bit, but I know some of the companies don't do that. So new windshield, looks pretty good here. So let's see if all the systems are working. Okay, so here we are on the highway. The lane assist seems to be working. So is the adaptive cruise control. It's kind of freaky, but as you can see, everything is green. Cool. Thanks for watching, guys. I have a few more maintenance videos coming up on Audi. I'm thinking about changing differential fluid and doing a few other things. More videos coming shortly. Please subscribe, and I'll see you very soon.